What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower in the morning.
What are you doing right now?
I am studying English right now.
What have you done today?
I have completed my homework today.
What have you been doing since morning?
I have been watching English videos since morning.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will visit my friend tomorrow.
What does he eat for breakfast?
He eats eggs and bread for breakfast.
What is he doing in the park?
He is playing football in the park.
What has he finished already?
He has finished his project already.
What has he been doing all day?
He has been working all day.
What will he do next week?
He will travel to Lahore next week.
What does she wear to the office?
She wears formal clothes to the office.
What is she reading right now?
She is reading a storybook right now.
What has she learned this week?
She has learned new grammar rules this week.
What has she been doing for hours?
She has been cooking for hours.
What will she buy tomorrow?
She will buy a new phone tomorrow.
What do they play on Sundays?
They play cricket on Sundays.
What are they watching on TV?
They are watching a movie on TV.
What have they done for the event?
They have decorated the hall for the event.
What have they been making since morning?
They have been making decorations since morning.
What will they prepare next week?
They will prepare a new video next week.
What does it eat every day?
It eats grass every day.
What is it doing in the field?
It is running in the field.
What has it broken again?
It has broken the glass again.
What has it been doing all night?
It has been barking all night.
What will it become one day?
It will become a strong horse one day.
What does this machine do?
This machine cuts wood.
What is this machine doing now?
This machine is printing documents now.
What has this machine made?
This machine has made hundreds of copies.
What has this machine been doing since morning?
This machine has been running since morning.
What will this machine produce next month?
This machine will produce new designs next month.
What does Allie study at school?
Ali studies science at school.
What is Allie doing these days?
Ali is preparing for his exams these days.
What has Allie completed this month?
Ali has completed his English course this month.
What has Allie been doing since last week?
Ali has been learning computer skills since last week.
What will Allie join next year?
Ali will join a university next year.
What do the boys do after class?
The boys play football after class.
What are the boys doing in the garden?
The boys are watering the plants in the garden.
What have the boys painted?
The boys have painted the wall.
What have the boys been doing since morning?
The boys have been cleaning the room since morning.
What will the boys do in the evening?
The boys will go to the gym in the evening.
What does your teacher explain every day?
My teacher explains new lessons every day.
What is your teacher writing on the board?
My teacher is writing a grammar rule on the board.
What has your teacher given today?
My teacher has given a test today.
What has your teacher been doing since morning?
My teacher has been checking papers since morning.
What will your teacher teach tomorrow?
My teacher will teach tenses tomorrow.
What do students learn in class?
Students learn English grammar in class.
What are students doing right now?
Students are listening to the lecture right now.
What have students prepared for the test?
Students have prepared all the lessons for the test.
What have students been doing since yesterday?
Students have been revising for exams since yesterday.
What will students present tomorrow?
Students will present their projects tomorrow.
What does your mother cook every day?
My mother cooks delicious food every day.
What is your mother cooking now?
My mother is cooking biryani now.
What has your mother made for lunch?
My mother has made pasta for lunch.
What has your mother been doing all morning?
My mother has been cleaning the kitchen all morning.
What will your mother make tomorrow?
My mother will make kheer tomorrow.
What does your father do?
My father works in a company.
What is your father fixing now?
My father is fixing the light now.
What has your father completed today?
My father has completed a big project today.
What has your father been doing since last night?
My father has been working on his laptop since last night.
What will your father buy next week?
My father will buy a new car next week.
What do the children do after lunch?
The children play games after lunch.
What are the children doing in the yard?
The children are playing football in the yard.
What have the children drawn on the wall?
The children have drawn pictures on the wall.
What have the children been doing since morning?
The children have been watching cartoons since morning.
What will the children get tomorrow?
The children will get gifts tomorrow.
What does your friend like to do?
My friend likes to read books.
What is your friend doing at the moment?
My friend is talking on the phone at the moment.
What has your friend finished today?
My friend has finished his work today.
What has your friend been doing since noon?
My friend has been learning English since noon.
What will your friend start next week?
My friend will start a new job next week.
What do birds eat in the morning?
Birds eat grains in the morning.
What are birds doing in the tree?
Birds are singing in the tree.
What have birds built on the branch?
Birds have built a nest on the branch.
What have birds been doing since sunrise?
Birds have been flying around since sunrise.
What will birds do in winter?
Birds will fly to warmer places in winter.
What does the company produce?
The company produces mobile phones.
What is the company launching this year?
The company is launching a new model this year.
What has the company achieved so far?
The company has achieved great success so far.
What has the company been doing for months?
The company has been developing new software for months.
What will the company release next month?
The company will release a new app next month.
What do cats do at night?
Cats hunt mice at night.
What are cats doing in the kitchen?
Cats are eating fish in the kitchen.
What have cats caught today?
Cats have caught a rat today.
What have cats been doing since morning?
Cats have been sleeping since morning.
What will cats do when it rains?
Cats will hide under the table when it rains.
What does your brother do in his free time?
My brother plays guitar in his free time.
What is your brother watching now?
My brother is watching a drama now.
What has your brother completed recently?
My brother has completed a short film recently.
What has your brother been doing all week?
My brother has been editing videos all week.
What will your brother learn next month?
My brother will learn photography next month.